Howdy everybody, it's Mr. Pearson here, and I have a little fraction joke for you before our fraction lesson. It says, I'll be the quarterback, Tom will be the halfback, and you can be the three-quarters back. Ha! There is no three-quarters back, but in football there is actually a quarterback. Here's a quarter, because, it takes 4 quarters to equal $1, and there is a halfback actually, that is a position in football, and here's a half. It's just a little math joke. Lighten the mood. And now our objective today for this lesson is that you can place fractions that have a value that is greater than 1 on a number line. Did you know some fractions are actually greater than 1? It's true, they're called improper fractions. You'll see some in just a minute. Mr. Pearson's practice problem. 4 children are running a 2-mile race. Place the racers on a number line and answer the following questions. Okay. Billy ran 3/8 of a mile. Tricky. Okay, so this 1/8, 2/8, 3. Well, how many spaces are there first? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 spaces. Oh, I better make sure that my hops line up onto the lines there. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And Billy ran 3/8. So 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. 3/8, because that is 3 out of the 8 spaces. Now, here's it gets tricky. Maddie ran 9/8. Whenever you have the numerator is greater than the denominator, that's called an improper fraction. Improper fraction. 9/8. So, let's check this again. 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. 1 is equivalent to 8/8. It's like the whole thing, the whole mile, is 8 out of 8. So this is 8/8. And if you go beyond 1, you have another piece here. And that's over here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also divided into 8. It has to be a consistent number of fractional units. So if you start on 8ths on this side, it has to continue to be 8ths on this side. But Maddie ran 9/8, so that's 1 beyond 8/8, and 9/8 would be the next one. Right here, 9/8. Okay, check Billy, check Maddie. Next, Izzy ran 15/8. Holy smokes! I don't have to start all the way at 0, because I already know this is 9/8. So I could go 9/8, 10/8, 11/8, 12/8, 13/8, 14/8, 15/8. Wow. Notice how I'm putting it right here on the tally mark, counting the distance that we're moving each time. And now, last, Sal. Sal, he ran 6/8 of a mile. Oh, here's 3/8. So I can continue to go 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8. Good job, Sal. I believe in you, Sal. You can keep going. Who ran the greatest distance? Well, let's see here. Looks like somebody's at 15/8. That's almost to 2. Fascinating. I think I could see that next after 15/8 would be 16/8. So 16/8 would be the same as 2. Huh. So that 15/8, who is that? Izzy! Go, Izzy! Go, Izzy! Izzy ran the greatest distance because 15/8 is the greatest number. 15/8 is the greatest number. It's almost all the way to 2 wholes. Who ran the distance that was closest to 1 whole mile? Okay, well, let's see. Here's the 1 whole mile right there. that's 8/8. Did anybody run 8/8? No. Somebody ran 9/8. And that is only 1/8 away. How about 6/8? That is 2/8 away. So 9/8 is the closest. Maddie. Maddie is the closest to 1 whole mile. Maddie is the closest because she's only 1/8 away. She's 9/8, and that's 1/8 more than 8/8, which is the same as a mile. Because 1 whole mile, because she is 1/8 away from, she's 1/8 away from 8/8, or 1 whole mile. Good job, Mr. Pearson. Thanks, Mr. Pearson, you're doing great. How much farther did Maddie run than Sal? Well, which one was Maddie? Maddie is the 9/8. Okay, I'm going to circle that so I don't forget. And Sal is the 6/8. Okay, well, that's pretty easy. They have the intervals here. So that is 9/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8. Oh, I don't even know if I had to count like that because I can see 6 and 9. 6/8, 9/8. 6 plus 3 is 9. So that's another way to do it. So 3/8. Maddie ran 3/8 farther than Sal. Thank you for your attention, everybody, and I hope that you have a great time practicing your problems. Can't wait for you to show what you know. Go Eagles!